Look at the difference between halogen and LED bulbs. The lights on the left are halogen and on the right are LED. The LED bulbs are also quicker to respond. Our Realight LED kits provide better light output than conventional bulbs, making you more visible to other road users and reducing the chance of an accident. The bulb kits are a direct replacement for your existing bulbs, so there is no installation required. Simply remove the old bulbs and pop the new ones in to begin using straight away. Here the LED bulbs are on the left and the halogen on the right. The complete kit is only £107 including UK postage and packing. Visit our website or scan the QR code to order yours today.